welcome to this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Now, 90s dancehall artist Mr. Lexx just touched down with a new EP. The artist hosted the release party for the project on Tuesday night. The event saw fellow dancehall artist The Angel, plus voicemail and some industry players and fans out showing their support.
Support from a fellow artist. That's been, it's been amazing. I really do appreciate it from my artist friends that come support. A lot of them reach out to me because them couldn't come due to how weird them situated, and you don't know the whole curfew thing and all of that still, but you don't know them reach out to me, so that's what's important, and I really do appreciate it also. Because to all of the artists them that support me 100.
Touchdown consists of 7 tracks and features 7 upcoming artists. Mr. Lexx shared with E Prime the inspiration behind the project.
The inspiration behind the name Touchdown is just that I've been off the scene for a minute, and just forward back and just about to score a musical goal. You see what I say? I've scored a lot of goals before, but I left on the bench for a minute, so I come off the bench now, so it's about time I score a musical goal. And furthermore, I wanted a name that was gonna, appeal to the world and not just Jamaica.
Mr. Lexx is known for tracks such as Galabetta Can Cook, Full 100, Anything Goes, among others. Now, author and CEO of the Bob Marley Group of Companies, Cedella Marley, is gearing up to release a new book titled Redemption. The book is named after her father's 1980 hit. Now, according to Cedella, nearly 40 years after its release, the message of redemption song still rings true today. In 2004, the track was featured at number 66 in Rolling Stone's The 500 Greatest Songs of All Time. The new book Redemption is slated for release in September. That's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.